All right, guys, sick and tired of turning that 1/2-inch bolt into the Tinnerman nut on those Kleen-Rite high security boxes? Well, I got the fix for you right here. It's called the Retrofit, so let's jump into it. The kit itself will service one faceplate, so one kit per faceplate, right? That's going to come with a 7/8 unibit or step bit. It's going to come with the 2 locking tabs to hold the actual lock cylinders themselves, 2 of those retro cams to turn that Tinnerman nut into a 1/4 turn, and then the 1/4 turn locks themselves, which bring all of this together. The tools we're going to need for this job is a 1/2-inch drill, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and an 8mm Allen wrench. All right, to get this installation completed, we're going to go out to the coin box, open it up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use that flathead screwdriver to pop the E-clip off of that 1/2-inch bolt. We're going to slide that out of both standoffs. Now you're going to want to take those Medico plugs out of the faceplate as well, just to give you some room to work. At that point, we're going to take our drill, the supplied unibit, into the drill. Remember, that drill bit is we're sending you the perfectly sized drill bit to drill straight down through both of these standoffs. Once we've drilled through both standoffs, we can put the drill to the side and we're going to install our new locks. So I'm going to grab a lock cylinder, the gasket itself, and slide that over top of it. And I'm going to bring that through the standoff of the faceplate. Now I'm going to take that locking tab and I'm going to face that to the inside of the coin box. I'm going to slide that on, and you can see here how that catches that standoff. That's going to hold that lock perfectly straight. The locking ring or nut onto the lock cylinder or housing itself, and I'm going to tighten that down. From there, I'm going to pull out the bolt that comes in the lock cylinder itself. We're going to discard that. We do not need it. The retro cam itself is square on the inside, just like the square of the spring cylinder within the lock. We're going to slide that over top, drop that supplied stainless steel Allen head bolt down through. And guys, honestly, I'm going to snug this down by hand. We do not need to over tighten that. We still need the spring action of this lock itself. That side's installed. I'm going to repeat those steps on the opposite side, and then what we'll be able to do is put our Medico plug lock back in. Once that's back in, you will be able to close your coin box with the retro cam kit faced horizontally, and then with that 8mm Allen wrench, once it's closed, you'll be able to press in on the spring cylinder of the lock, give it a 1/4 turn. It will lock onto the lock bar inside of the hull itself. At that point, you'll be able to replace that Medico plug and the entire coin box is locked, safe from anybody getting in. This is going to ease some of the pain of using those Tinnerman nuts and having to turn constantly. 1/4 turn, you're in and out of that box and on to the next one. So if you have any questions about the retro cam kit, coin boxes, or anything car wash, give us a call, Kleen-Rite, and we'll get you fixed up.
Kleen-Rite.